First off, let me say congratulations. If you're viewing this video, that means you are the new owner of an Authntk fanny pack, the few and the proud. Couple things that you should be aware of as you get started in this life of a fanny pack wearer. Number one, you may notice that people are gonna stare at your fanny pack, they're gonna be whispering about how attractive and good looking you look with your fanny pack, and their eyes are gonna start to wander down to your waistline. Don't be afraid to say, hey, eyes up here. Number two, your social calendar is really gonna start to fill up. You're gonna be very popular, everyone's gonna wanna hang out. Just choose your invitations wisely. Your social following is gonna grow exponentially as people see that you wear your Authntk fanny pack. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely. Now on to logistics. When you unpack your fanny pack, you'll notice that we have a classic 3-prong plastic clip. What you're gonna do is simply insert the clip into the other end and wait until you hear that nice tight sound, and then pull to tighten. And then to loosen, pull to loosen. Now this part could be a two-man job. You may want to put the fanny pack on and then have someone you trust do the clipping and the tightening. The next thing we're going to cover is what to keep in your fanny. There's so much room for activities in your Authntk fanny pack. But always remember, it's a very personal decision. Never judge someone based on what's in their fanny, and never ask somebody what they keep in their fanny. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is access the zipper. It's a single zip. Go ahead and open it all the way, and you'll see that the top opens fully. Fantastic. Today I'm carrying some mala beads. I want to get in touch with my spiritual side. I'm also carrying 3 cell phones, just for fun. Got 2 iPhones and an Android. This is great for taking authentic videos or selfies and having quick access to your cell phone. Next, we're going to discuss style. This is another very personal decision. Me, I like to go with the full frontal. I like everyone to be able to see the Authntk walk around videos nice and clear. You may be more of a side hip wearer, left or right, either way, doesn't matter. And if you're really radical, you can go full back. But again, I like full frontal. I like the Authntk walk around videos to be nice and center. That way you get the most attention and people are really gonna look and say, what's in that guy's fanny? And finally, we want to hear from you. What are you keeping in your Authntk fanny? You've had it for a while, you've gotten comfortable. What do you keep in there? Send us some videos, send us some pictures of you guys wearing the fanny packs around the dealerships and around town. We would love to get this conversation going. So use hashtag fanny pack challenge. Send us your videos, tag us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Email them to info@authntk.com. We would love to see who has the best hashtag fanny pack challenge.